Hello, I'm Teacher Maria, and today I'm going to read Noisy Farm. This is a cow. She lives in a barn with her spotted calf. The cow likes to eat grass. Can you moo like a cow? Pat the cow's back to hear her moo. These are piglets. They are baby pigs. They like to play in the straw and roll in the mud. They have curly tails. Can you oink like a piglet? Tickle the piglet's ear to hear him oink. These are lambs. Lambs are baby sheep. They like to jump and play. Can you baa like a lamb? Stroke the lamb's fleece to hear her baa. This is a horse. This is a horse with her foal. The horse are fastest animal in the farm and they gallop through the fields. Can you neigh like a horse? Touch the horse mane to hear her neigh. Now that you've visited the farm, which animal is your favorite? Can you make all the animal sounds? The end.